All right, guys, we're stranded in the Impala SS. What's up, gang? Welcome back to another one. Today we're gonna be working on my Impala right here. The system, it sounds good and everything, but it drains the lights every time it hits. The headlights dim, the inside lights dim. So I got that what's it called, that Big 3 upgrade. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today and see if you can see the difference or not.
6.5 hours later.
All right, guys, we're stranded in the Impala SS, and look what just happened. Look funny to you?
Oh, don't cry, are you?
Okay, we broke some studs, guys. Shit. And we got a little damage right there. This thing broke off too. So I'm gonna call the tow truck. We're gonna have to fix this, and the hood while we're at it. Oh, of course, the seats. I was actually on the way to go get the quote for the seats. Yeah, guys, I'm stranded right here on the south side of San Antonio. But I'll be all right. I can't even be mad because, you know what I'm saying, shit happens. I did some damage to it, to the body and maybe the rim, but I could just replace the rim and get the body fixed and stuff, get it repainted. As long as anything didn't happen, you know what I mean, like to me or to anyone. You know, just shit, man. Kind of sucks now. It's gonna set me back, but it's all good, man. Now we can do some content on this car because we've been working on the box Chevy, so we're gonna work on this one. And I know we're gonna get the seats done too. That's actually where I was gonna go. I was gonna give the guy the clips that I needed for the box Chevy for the top, and then I was gonna give the go ahead on the color because he said it looked kind of different from the pamphlet he showed me. And then I was gonna take him this one so he can look at the seats. All right, we've been rescued, guys. Well, guys, we made it to my cousin's house. Like a fucked up ass tire. Look at that shit. It's poking. Yes, sir. I'm seeing sideways right now. Yeah, that tire not even touching the ground. It's cambered. Yep. So I dropped it off here to my cousin's. Here's that Cadillac. He's actually gonna do the motor swap on this one. It's a 78 Coupe de Ville. That's those lowrider wheels. That steering wheel. But yeah, guys, this kind of sucks. I'm just gonna rebuild this car. And it's crazy because I have those extended control arms. They're right there. And I got the 373 gears done not too long ago. But yeah, it pretty much wraps it up, guys. I actually did end up taking this car to the guy. He saw the seats, so he did give me a quote. So as soon as I finish that Caprice, he's gonna do the seats. But now we got something else to do. So catch y'all on the next one, guys.